The entrance has to be somewhere around here.
Speedy in the road, bleacher.
Hey!
Nowhere to run, kid.
This entire animation was made with a model that just launched, and it is already making Seedance 2.5 look overpriced. Meet Wan 3.0. Same jaw-dropping quality, same buttery smooth motion at a fraction of the cost. Most people mess this up. They type a one-line story idea into a chat model and get something flat, inconsistent, and amateur. I am breaking the entire process down from a detailed story concept to reference images to a master prompt file so you can generate animation this smooth and this consistent every single time. Let's build it together. To generate professional-level animations, I will head over to Claude. I will upload my master prompt MD file, along with a detailed story split into a full storyline and scenes. You can access all the files from the description of this video. I will ask it to set up the story matching our master file structure. Now we have the story with cast and story locations. Next, I will feed in some reference images from famous animated movies in Pixar style. Then I will simply ask it to move to the first section, where we will get details about our character, such as full body features like face, eyes, hair, skin, clothing, and color. Based on these details, we will ask it to generate the prompt for our main character in this story. And here we have the detailed prompt for the character image. Simply copy this prompt and head over to OpenArt. Choose the Create Image option. From the Model tab, we have a couple of options. Let's start with the GPT Image 2 model. Paste in the prompt text. Choose the 2K resolution, landscape aspect ratio, with standard quality. Here we have the output image from the GPT Image 2 model. And here are the generations for the Nano Banana Pro and Seedream 5.0 models. The generation from the GPT Image 2 model looks sharp, so that I will go with this one. I have generated all my character images with this model, and you can see the image quality. These look amazing. Next, we will ask it to give the character sheet prompts for all our characters. Here we have the prompts for all our characters. This sheet helps us maintain character consistency across each shot. Copy the model sheet prompt and paste it into the OpenArt Image Model chat window. Choose the GPT Image 2 model from the model list. Upload the reference character image. Then click the Generate button. Here we have the output image. The result looks good, apart from a little bit of noise. And here we have the result generated with the Nano Banana Pro image model. This one looks perfect to proceed with. I have generated all my other character model sheets this way, and all of them look quite impressive. Let's move on to the next section, generating videos. For the videos, I will follow the official Seedance 2.5 prompt guide, which incorporates lip-sync dialogue. This prompt structure automatically adds reference images where needed to keep the video smooth, converts the whole 30-scene story into individual shots, and also adds the necessary camera details. Simply copy the prompt and head over to the OpenArt website. Choose the text-to-video option. From the Model tab, I will select the Wan 3.0 model. Paste the prompt text into the chat window. Now I will add all the references mentioned in this prompt. You can go with standard or prime mode, depending on your credit consumption. Choose the 720p resolution with a 30-second video duration and click the Generate button. You may get a failed generation error. If that happens, simply go back to the chat window, add the reference images where mentioned, and generate the video again.
Wait! Wait!
This result looks much smoother and follows the scene more effectively in terms of character consistency, scene flow, and overall visual settings. For the next scene, simply ask it to move on, and it will generate the prompt for the next scene. Copy the prompt and paste it in. Add the references, and you can generate your next scene.
Come on, come on!
So, you can follow these steps to generate consistent, smooth animations in any style. Just follow the link in the description. What do you think of these results? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.